Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video. If you watched my previous video, which was last Sunday, then you would know the new kind of business adventure I am starting, and I received my kit this week, so I thought why not show you what I got and the stuff that I've kind of already used, and also give a little bit of a review on it, just like a little tiny one, just so you can kind of know what products I do like and what I'm still testing out. So if you'd like to see what I received in my Body Shop starter kit, then please just keep watching. So first things first, I'm just going to kick off with what it kind of came in. So the first thing that we got is this Body Shop bag. It says Give Love Play, and it's got Body Shop at the bottom, and then it has got the Body Shop logo here. This is what everything came in. Obviously it came in a box, and then it came inside this bag, which is good. So this is great because you can carry it everywhere with you. You can put all your products in if you're doing parties and stuff, which is really good. Then the next thing that we got is this headband. Now, to be fair, I don't know if I will be wearing this. It is a really nice colour, I just don't think I'll probably be wearing this that much. So now the bit that's the really exciting bit, the product. So first things first, we have the Body Shop Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I've used this a couple of times now, and it does help to remove your makeup really well. It smells really nice, but I do like the chamomile range anyway. If you watched my previous video, then you know that I've been using the Body Shop Chamomile. This is the scrumptious cleansing butter that I've been using to take my makeup off, and I really like that. So this kind of goes inside with it as well. Like if say you've got really stubborn eye makeup, it helps to take it off, but to be fair, most of the time that just takes it off anyway. And the next thing we have is the Aloe Creamy Cleanser. I've used this a few times. I just pop this on a cotton pad, or I will massage it into my face and then remove it with sponges. It's really nice. It smells absolutely amazing. I've never actually tried anything from the Aloe range before, so it was quite nice to test this out, and I've used it probably about 3 times now, and it does smell really nice. It leaves your skin really soft, and I am liking it so far. Then the next thing we have is the Body Shop Vitamin E. This is the hydrating toner. If you have seen like the other toner that I use, I normally use the ginseng rice one, but I have tried this a couple of times now, and it smells really nice, and also it goes along with the moisturiser that I really like, the vitamin E one, which I will be getting onto that in a second. So same as you do with the normal toner, just pop it on a cotton pad and then wipe it over your face. Then, like I just mentioned, we also got the Vitamin E. This is the moisture cream, and this is one for all skin types. This is just the little 50ml one. I have actually ordered the combination one, because I don't think we had that the last time I used it. I just used this one, so I thought why not give that a try. So I have also ordered that one to compare between this one and the other one. I use this for a couple of years. I really like it. I love the smell of it. It leaves my skin really nice. I've used it today underneath my makeup, and I really like it. Then I've never really tried any of the shower gels before, and I haven't actually tested this yet, because I did have a little bit of another shower gel just to finish up, so I will be using this next time. But oh my god, I have to say the smell of this is amazing. It literally smells as though you could drink it. It smells that nice. I really want to get the pink grapefruit hand cream as well. I've actually ordered the soap to go in my bathroom, but because it just smells amazing, so I'm excited to try this out. Like I said, I haven't used this yet, but it smells really good. Then next up we have the body butters. The one that I got is the coconut one. I have used a little bit of it, not a lot. I just kind of tested it like with a spatula on my hand. It smells really nice. It smells a bit like Malibu, or like, you know, like the Malibu sun lotion. Oh, it smells so nice. It's kind of quite a thick, rich texture. So these are like a bit more intense than what the body yogurts are. So this is like really good if you have really dry skin. This is one of our best sellers actually in the body butter range, and I can see why, because it does smell amazing. So this is kind of really good for nourishing like dry skin and stuff. We do have, I think it's 14 or 16 different scents in body butters. Oh, that smells so nice. So we got this as well. Then the next thing that we got, I never actually smelled anything from this Morand range. It's the exfoliating cream scrub. It smells so nice. It's like a fresh smell. And this I would probably just use in the shower or anything like that. It does smell really good, and it's exciting to try this and also smell something, because I've never actually smelled this range, and it does smell really nice. Like, it's not, let me just show you what the consistency is like. So like the grits, it is like a good exfoliating grit, like it's really nice. Oh, spread it out a little bit more so you can see it. You can see all the bits on it now, but it's really nice. My hand feels really nice and soft. It's just got rid of all the dead kind of skin cells on it. I actually just got with a little bit of the body butter because it is really nice over the top and on my arm. I have actually only just applied this anyway, but oh, it smells so nice. Then the next thing that we have is another one of our best sellers. It is the Drops of Youth. This is the Youth Concentrate. Probably a lot of you have seen this. It's basically, people call it Botox in a bottle. It is really good. I was actually quite surprised that we got this in our starter kit, because it's not the like cheapest of products in the ranges, but I am super excited to get this because it's great for like showing people and testing it, and then people can smell it for themselves, because it just smells amazing. Smells so nice. So we got this as well. Then the next thing that we got is the Coffee Intense Awakening Mask, and this is actually a full size. This is a 75ml. It's not the small one, like the small 15ml. It is the full one. It just comes with a little tab on it, and it just looks like that. I don't know if you can see. You might be able to see it there. It does smell like coffee. Now, normally coffee scents do actually put me off, because sometimes, I know this sounds really stupid, but they smell like a really weak coffee, and I don't like weak coffee, whereas this smells like really strong. So, and it's not like, it sounds really stupid, but like if you were to smell a cup of coffee and you know it's like cheap coffee, it doesn't smell like that. It smells like more of like a luxury coffee. So I'm excited to try this out. Then the next thing we have, I have actually used this before and I did really like it. It's the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Masks. I used to use it when my skin used to break out quite a bit. I used to get quite a few spots, but that was also one of the reasons because I wasn't looking after my skin. I used to use this all the time and I loved it. So this is just what it looks like. I have used a little bit of it already. That's why it's a little bit thingy, but it smells really nice and it's great for clearing up like any problems on your skin or anything like that, and it smells amazing. So, and like that, that's the big one again, it's not the small one. Then the next thing we've got is a hand cream, and this is the Shea Butter hand cream. I have actually smelt the Shea range before, and I've never had the hand cream. This smells really nice. It's just a really nice scent, and this is a little 30ml one, which is good. Then next we've got another hand cream. This is the Hemp hand cream. If you've never heard of the Hemp range in the Body Shop, then it's a really like intense moisturising one. This is the hard working hand protector. There's a body butter and loads of other products, and it's really good for really intense moisturising skin. And also the great thing about this, when you buy a 30ml, £1 gets donated to the Body Shop charity, which is really good. This is kind of like a fresh, clean smell that I really like. It just smells so nice and fresh, and it's great for just keeping in your handbag. I have tried this a little bit now and I do really like the smell of it. Then the next thing that we got is the White Musk Flora Fragrant Mist, and I do actually have this on today, and I do have to say it smells really nice. This is the 100ml bottle that we got, and normally I don't have like fragrant mist, normally I wear perfume, but this does actually smell really nice, and it does give quite a good scent and like spritz off, which is nice. Then the next thing that we also got in the kit, which I am still in shock like how much we actually got, it's like unreal, is the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow. Now, if you know me, I do like my setting sprays. So this is a dewy one. I haven't actually used this today because I thought, why not do it in the video to see what it's like. I have sprayed it into the cap so that I know that it smells really nice. So I'm just going to pull my hair back and I'm just going to be spritzing this for you today. Wow, that smells nice. Smells really nice. So this is obviously a dewy one. Lately I've kind of been going between dewy and matte ones, depending on the finish that I want on the skin. I have used the mint mattifying one before, but I think I definitely want to repurchase the mint mattifying one along with this one. Oh, it smells really nice. As you can see, it's just given my skin a nice kind of glowy finish to it. It's not made it look really kind of oil slicky or anything like that. It's just given it a nice fresh glow, which is what I like if I'm doing them kind of sprays, because some kind of dewy sprays can be like, wow, okay, it just looks like you've got an oily face, which I don't personally like, but this is giving it a really nice finish, which is good. Next up, makeup wise, we got the Body Shop Instable Primer with vitamin E, and I have actually used this before. I used this a few years ago and I did really like it. I just haven't got around to repurchasing it. I have actually used it today underneath my makeup, and I do feel as though it's really helped to blur my pores and also mattify the makeup that I put on. So this is really nice. I will keep giving it a try and see how it obviously goes throughout the day, but I am really liking it so far. Then the next thing that we also got is the Body Shop Fresh Nude. This is the Tinted Balm, and this is in the shade Medium to Fair. I did actually put this on underneath a little bit of my foundation just to kind of see what the shade was like and what kind of finish it gave, just so I can kind of tell you in this video. This gives kind of like a very natural finish. It does give you a little bit of coverage and a little bit of colour, which is nice, but it's not like a full, obviously it's just a beauty balm. But it was really nice and it did give a little bit of coverage. Obviously I did put foundation on over top of it because I did want a bit more of a fuller coverage, but this was really good. Then the next thing that we got that I do actually have on my cheeks today, this is the Body Shop Shimmer Waves, and this is in the shade 02 Blush. And in these you get like different shades going down, so you've got like a little one for highlighter. I just kind of swirled all these together and put them on my cheeks, and I really like how it came out. It gave kind of a soft sheen. I did put a little bit more of this just there, but not too crazy. And I do also have this top shade and the middle one on my lid with a little bit of bronzer just to kind of give a natural look, and it's really nice. It's not like wow pigment. It's a nice buildable blush that you're not going to be like putting on and you're like got pink cheeks, which is what I like. You can build it up to the intensity that you would like. So that was quite good. Then the next thing that we received that I'm also wearing today is the Body Shop Super Volume Mascara. I do really like how it is given an effect on my lashes. It does look very volumized and very effective. I have just got 2 coats like normal on. Like by 2 coats I mean just do like one, do the other and then go back. I'm not like one that does like coats and coats if you've seen my videos. But I really like the effect that this is giving on my lashes. They look really nice and they look quite long as well, which is good. Then the next makeup item that we have, which if you have watched any of my videos, you know that I love a good liquid lip. And this is the Body Shop Matte Lip Liquid, and it is in the shade Windsor Rose. And I do actually have it on my lips today. It's a really nice colour. It's a nice nude. It's not too brown, but it's not too cool tone. It's kind of like the perfect nude for me personally. Obviously, every skin tone is different. But it's like a nice kind of, it's a matte finish, but it's not like a dry matte finish. It's almost like a velvety matte finish. So I think I will definitely be purchasing a couple more shades of these because I do really like the finish, and the colour is really nice as well. So that is the matte liquid lip. They do actually also have a shine liquid lip, which I think will be quite interesting to try to see like the lasting power of them. And then last but not least, we got some cotton pads. This is obviously for like if you're doing parties or anything like that. Obviously you've got like cotton pads to like wipe it off people's hands and stuff. Obviously cotton pads you can just pick up anywhere, but these ones are the Body Shop ones that we got with them, and so that's all included in the kit. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video, just seeing what I got in my starter kit. I am so excited to get started. As you are seeing this video, I have already put my first order in, which is really exciting, and it's just a lot of fun. I am enjoying it, doing it so far. Like there is so much like talking to different people, and there's so much support like within your group and stuff. It is just really good, and so far I am really liking it. If you have any questions or anything like that, then feel free to message me or comment on this video down below. You are more than welcome to. But yeah, this is just what I got in my start kit, and I am so excited to start my Body Shop journey. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and I will just catch you in my next one. Alright, bye guys.